Hi, this is Alma here with LMT Technology Solutions. Welcome to our first ever episode of 3-Minute Thursdays. We are virtually here with James, who is our cybersecurity manager and a CISSP, and he's here to discuss how to safely connect your work computer to your home Wi-Fi. Take it away, James.
Well, thank you, Alma. So we've all found ourselves in a situation where we're working from our home offices, and we've taken our nice, well-maintained, managed company laptop home, and we need to make sure that we're connecting that securely and that we're not bringing additional risk into our company. So I'm just going to walk you through a couple of really quick steps and things you can look at to make sure that you're connecting to a good, safe home network and not subjecting your company to extra risk when you're connected. So one of the things to think about is you want to look at your Wi-Fi settings and notice how here at LMT we have both a guest network and a private network. You can do the same thing in your home with one of the newer routers or modems that your ISP has provided you with. If your router is getting a little old and it doesn't support both a guest and a private network, a lot of times you're leasing these through your ISP and they're charging you every month. So if you've had it over 3 years, it's probably time to call them up and say, hey, it's time to trade in this older equipment. It's a little out of date. I'm worried about the security, and I want to upgrade it to the newest feature set. The important thing, though, by doing this and having a private network here and a public network, you want to have a nice little safe, isolated island in the network for your work computer. By having a guest network and a private network, that traffic goes out separately, so it's not crossing, and there's no chance for somebody to get into one network from the other and steal your company data or put some malicious traffic in or find out what you're up to. The other thing we should look at is always make sure your networks are showing as secured before you connect to them. To look at what kind of encryption you're using, you can click right on Properties of that network, and then scroll down in Windows 10, and you'll see here under Security Type, it says WPA2 Personal. That's exactly what you want for your home network. The other things to consider here too, you want to make sure that your network name is unique. You'll see in my list of wireless networks here, I've got a couple that are MySpectrum Wi-Fi 18 and 20. Those aren't terribly unique, so you want to use something that's kind of distinct to your network, but that doesn't reveal a lot of personal information. I think I'm running out of my 3 minutes here already. So the last thing I'll leave you with too, if your apartment offers you with free Wi-Fi, or the city you're in offers a municipal free Wi-Fi, those aren't generally suitable for your home or for your work computer at home. So the best option in those cases is to set up a hotspot on your cell phone and connect through that, because at least you're connecting through a secure and trusted network. With that, I'll stop my rambling, turn it back over to Alma, and let her pick up from here.
Well, thank you, James, and thank you to everyone for viewing. We will be back next week answering any questions you may have. Stay safe, and thank you for your time.
Stay healthy, everyone.